Hardline Muslim clerics in Egypt have been issuing religious edicts saying that opposition leaders should be killed. The televised fatwas are raising fears that high-profile opposition members may be assassinated, mirroring what is happening in Tunisia, where a few days ago secular opposition leader Chokri Belaid was gunned down outside his house, leading to mass anti-government demonstrations. Security has been upped around the residences of prominent Egyptian opposition figures such as Mohamed al-Baradi, the leader of the Liberal Constitution Party. Al-Baradi has denounced the government's silence over the clerics' issuing of fatwas. Sparking further outrage, Muslim cleric Ahmed Mohamed Abdallah, also known as Abu Islam, justified a string of recent sexual assaults on female anti-government protesters in Cairo's Tahrir Square by saying that the women go there because they want to be raped. Speaking on his TV show, the cleric rejected the idea that attacking female demonstrators was a red line and said, "These devils named women, they speak with no femininity, no morals, no fear." Abdullah went on to comment that 90% of female protesters were Christians and that the rest were widows with no one to rein them in. The recent rise in Egypt in attacks on female demonstrators saw at least 19 sexual assaults being reported on January 25th alone, the day Egyptians marked 2 years since a revolution which toppled autocratic leader Hosni Mubarak.